This is primer 170 or water-based epoxy primer. Two components. Component B always inside component A.
And we mix together.
We always mix them together. In the beginning, it always get this whitish color. It doesn't really matter.
That's the white color.
This is the color of the material. This is this whitish yellowish color.
We mix first, then we put the water.
Exactly. I'm going to show you now. I'm going to make two demonstrations. First, applying without adding any water, and after that, putting some water inside, just to show you how different the application is. It's important to mix well, like with all primers. Okay. As you can see, without any water, the material is really thick. It's really viscous. So it's going to be a little bit tricky to apply. Let's take a brush. Okay. The application you don't need a really thick layer. Just covering the surface will be enough. Now you can see that this whitish color, but once it's dry, it's going to become completely colorless. Okay, that's the application without any water. We put some water. Are you good? Yeah.
Yeah. 20% of water.
And again, start to mix it.
It's mixed together. So every time mix together A and B, and then we put the water.
Exactly. Yes. During the mixing, you can add the water. You don't have to wait to A and B be completely mixed. During the mixing, you can be adding the water. Okay? You can make it in both ways. You can wait until it's completely mixed and then add the water, or during the mixing, you can add the water as well. It's up to the customer, it's up to the applicator to decide.
So A and B and water mix together same
Exactly.
time. Okay, understand.
As you can see, the viscosity has dropped a lot.
Yeah.
Now, with a roller, it's going to be quite easy. Well, it's going to be easier to apply. And here's the mixing. With every material, with all of these materials, it's always important to have a good mixing. If you don't mix properly, sorry. Now it's quite softer. It's easy to apply. So you can see it's not the same as before. Now it's quite easier.
We can use roller.
You can use a roller as well. I'm not using it because of the size of the concrete block. For me, it's easier to use the brush. But with a primer, with a roller, sorry, it's going to be more than enough.
With water, the primer can go inside the concrete.
With the good thing about using the primer, I mean, I will show you, but it's easier to show you with a drawing. Give me 1 second, I will show you, okay? That's going to be the application with water. Okay, let me. With water.
Yes.
So you can see the difference. This one will have a lot of material inside, doesn't lose the color, but as you can see, it makes the primer effect. You can see it has the surface. Right now, in that side, the concrete has the primer as well, but doesn't need to be this huge layer. With this one, will be enough.
Yeah.